Action cameras are getting smaller, smarter, and more powerful than ever before. And in 2025, two compact giants are battling it out for the top spot. The GoPro Max 2, GoPro's most advanced 360-degree action cam yet, and the all-new DJI Osmo Nano, a featherlight modular camera built for vloggers and everyday creators. In this video, we'll dive deep into their design, features, stabilization, video quality, audio performance, battery life, durability, and price, to find out which one truly deserves the crown of the best compact action cam. Whether you're an adventurer chasing extreme shots or a vlogger looking for the perfect lightweight setup, this comparison will help you decide which camera is right for you. So let's get started. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The action camera market has always been about striking the perfect balance between portability, durability, video quality, and ease of use. Two new contenders are shaping up to dominate the compact camera scene: the GoPro Max 2 and the DJI Osmo Nano. Both come from companies with proven reputations in the imaging industry, and both promise to deliver a new level of creativity for adventurers, vloggers, and casual users alike. But which one truly deserves the crown of the best compact action cam? In this script, we will go through every aspect of these two cameras: design, features, stabilization, performance, audio, battery life, accessories, usability, and price, building up a picture of how they compare and who should buy which model. The GoPro Max 2 is the successor to the original GoPro Max and stands out as GoPro's most advanced 360-degree action camera yet. It captures true 8K 360 video, supports single-lens hero mode, offers superior image stabilization, and introduces replaceable lenses for long-term durability. GoPro has leaned heavily into the idea that creators want flexibility. You can record immersive 360 content for VR experiences or crop it into standard wide-angle clips after the fact. This makes the Max 2 not just an action cam but also a storytelling tool that can adapt to different environments and filming styles. On the other hand, the DJI Osmo Nano is a totally new concept, bringing DJI's camera expertise into a tiny, modular package. The Nano weighs just around 52 grams, making it one of the smallest action cameras ever released. It's designed to be discreet, easy to mount in creative places, and versatile through its magnetic vision dock accessory. The Osmo Nano shoots 4K up to 120 frames per second, supports 10-bit D-Log M color, offers DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization, and even integrates directly with DJI's wireless microphones. Instead of trying to do everything, the Nano focuses on being extremely portable, simple to use, and flexible for vloggers and POV shooters. When comparing design, the differences between the two become immediately obvious. The GoPro Max 2 is chunky, with its dual fisheye lenses protruding on opposite sides, because it must capture an entire spherical field of view. While still relatively small compared to professional 360 rigs, it is nowhere near as pocketable as the Osmo Nano. DJI's offering looks more like a thumb-sized capsule camera, minimalist in its approach, and can magnetically attach to its dock for extra features. The dock adds a screen, buttons, a larger battery, and improved connectivity, while the core camera remains ultralight for POV mounting on helmets, clothing, or drones. If stealth and minimalism matter most, the Nano has the edge. But if you don't mind carrying something a little bulkier in exchange for more